Hey you, it's Kyla Lou, and I'm looking a bit different than I normally do. I'm looking better. The sun can't decide if it wants to shine or just go and take a little break. And because I am in my bedroom, it is a lot more noticeable, but we're just gonna work with it. But I was scrolling on TikTok the other day and I came across a video by a gal named Riley Stewart. I'll go ahead and drop her handle on the screen, but the video that popped up on my For You page was a video of her just kind of sharing things that she would change about TikTok. And I was inspired. So I wanted to hop on here. Today's video is going to be a lot more casual than my other content, and just share with you guys the 5 things that I personally would change about TikTok. So I'm gonna be getting ready. We're just gonna chat, even though I know this is completely one-sided because you can't talk to me from the other side of the screen, but you get it, you understand. We're gonna hang out, we're gonna vent about TikTok, and we're just gonna have a good time. Ooh. The first thing that I would change if I had a magic wand and the only things I could change pertain to TikTok. The first thing that I would change is one thing within the new studio editor that they've just recently added to TikTok. If you have no idea what I mean when I say the new studio editor, TikTok, their old in-app editor used to be called Adjust Clips. And you know, that editor, it was fine. Like, I would definitely say the Adjust Clips button was very simple, but I didn't mind it. Like, it got the job done and I edited most, if not all of my TikToks on TikTok itself. But then they came out with this new studio editor that's supposed to be upgraded, and there's a lot of nice features in there, but there's one thing that's driving me crazy. So let me back up and give you some context. So a little while ago, I made a video here on my channel telling you guys how to film TikToks with multiple characters without having to change a gazillion times, right? If you're wanting to film TikToks with a bunch of different characters, before you would have to change outfits every single clip, and you just ended up changing literally like a gazillion times for one single TikTok. And it was just kind of ridiculous. But then I ended up finding a method that saved you so much time. And that method was, you guys can go check out that video, but the method was, you film like your first character, you get in the outfit, you do all of your clips, and for any of the other clips for the other characters, you just film yourself going like this, or a way for you to like mark which character it is, whether you're going like this or this for the second character, whatever it is. But you film all those in the first character's outfit, and then you can go back in the Adjust Clips editor and then click on those clips that you were going like this, and you can click start over and then go and change for your second or third character. So you really, like, if you have a video that you're doing 3 characters, you only have to change 3 times, which is incredible and saves you so much time. So I was so excited to share this with you guys. And then they came out with this new studio editor, literally like 2 weeks later. And so I was trying this new studio editor out, and I went to go do this method that I had shared with you guys on that YouTube video. I went to go film a TikTok with like 2 characters, I think. And so I went and I filmed all of the clips with the first character. For any of the lip syncs that I was gonna do for the second, I just like did a blank screen. And then I went to go back and click the start over button for those clips, which it let me do, but then I go to record it and there's no sound. And I'm like, what is happening? And so I saved my draft, I closed out of TikTok, I made sure it was up to date, and just did a bunch of different things to try and make it so like this wasn't a thing. Went back in, still no sound. It lets you click the clip to start over, but when you go to record, you can't hear anything. Like, if you hit the timer or the record button, whatever you want to do, it will record it. There's just no sound. So I was super frustrated by that, because basically you have to go back to the method of film your first character, change, film the second character, change, go back to the first character. And it's just a whole thing, and takes so much more time than it needs to if you want to edit within TikTok. Obviously, you can go and do it on other apps, which I want to experiment with, because I'm not the only one that's had this problem. A lot of you have commented on my videos and told me that you are also experiencing the same problem, which just bums me out. I was able to share this awesome tip, and now no one can use it if you have the new studio editor. And it's just a major bummer. So that is one thing I would change. I honestly hope that it is just a bug, and that hopefully in the near future, it will be fixed. So when you go to redo a clip, you can hear the sound, because if you're trying to lip sync and you can't hear the sound, there's no way you're going to be able to record that clip. That is one thing that I would change right now. And this isn't the second one, but I know also people have had a lot of problems with like the studio editor showing up and then it disappearing. And then I'm like, for me, sometimes when I go to edit my TikToks, they'll be like, here's the adjust clips button. Oh, I'm just flipping you guys off there. I'm sorry. They'll show like the adjust clips button and I'll click on it, but it will actually be the new studio editor. So I'm just hoping they're figuring it out and can get their shit together with this new editor, because I love editing on TikTok. It's so much faster and easier, in my opinion, to pump out content. But man, gotta be able to have sound when I record those clips, and obviously it's gonna make it really hard if the editor just like doesn't even show up. The second thing that I would change about TikTok is I wish that we could edit our captions after we've posted the TikTok. You know, I get not being able to edit like a video, like the text or anything on the actual video once you've posted it, like I get it. But on YouTube, for example, once you've published a video, you can go back at any point and you can change the thumbnail, you can change the title, you can change the description. And I just really wish you could go in onto TikTok after you've posted a video and edit your caption, edit your hashtags and whatever if you wanted. Because there have been more times than I would like to admit that I've posted a TikTok, I thought the caption was great, or let's be honest, when I was getting ready to post the TikTok, I had no clue what I wanted the caption to be. And then a couple days later, I'll think of an awesome caption and I can't go back and change it. And that would just be a game changer. If we could edit our captions after we've posted our TikToks, I would absolutely love that. Or like if you're going and you're hurrying really fast to try and like post a TikTok for whatever reason and you forget to tag a creator or what's the word? Gosh, the word I was thinking of is mention. Mention a creator. Oh my heavens. Get it together! You want to be able to go back and re-tag the creator. Like, you can't do that in the initial caption, which is a major bummer. This is a look. The third thing that I would absolutely love to change on TikTok is I wish everyone had the ability to make playlists on TikTok and organize all of their content for their followers, regardless of your follower account. I just think that's kind of ridiculous because I believe you need 10,000 followers before you're even given the playlist option. Now, I'm kind of a hypocrite in this sense because I have access to playlists, but I've not used them yet. But I believe I would have used them if I had access to them sooner, because now that I just have all this content and now have to organize it, I wish I could have just organized it from the beginning. You know, I understand like TikTok gatekeeping essentially some of their other features, like going live and how you can't go live until you have 1,000 followers. Like, that makes sense to me, and it's kind of fun. Like, once you've hit that 1,000 follower mark, your reward is to be able to like go live, which I think is kind of fun. But this playlist, like, that doesn't make any sense to me. I think everyone should be able to organize their content for their audience, for their followers, even if you have 0 followers on TikTok. Like, you should be able to put it into playlists, organize your content. People know, like, if they're interested in different parts of your content or whatever, they're looking for a specific thing, they can go to those playlists. It just makes sense for people to have it regardless of your follower count. So, yeah. That kind of bugs me, and I wish TikTok would change it now. Do I use the clips? I probably shouldn't be putting them in this way because this thing's like by my face, but they're just too difficult to put in the other way. We put them next to each other like that. What do we think? Yes or no? I know you can't respond, but I wish you could. We're sticking with the clips right now, but we'll see if I change my mind. The fourth thing that I would change about TikTok is I wish that you could scroll through your video while you were previewing it, while you were filming on TikTok. Because I hate when you're filming clips on TikTok, whether you're doing multiple clips or you're just doing one take, and you want to see maybe like how the end looks. You have to watch the whole thing all the way through to get to the end, and it just like loops. I wish you could just like scroll through and look at different parts of the video. Does that make any sense? Okay, let me show you. So I go in to create a TikTok, and so I film my first clip. Awesome. And then I go and film my second clip with my water bottle. Great. And then I want to do this next clip with my lip gloss. Super cute. And I go to preview the video by hitting the check mark. I have to watch it all the way through to see the last clip. Like, oh, if I just wanted to see the last clip to see how the one with the lip gloss looked, it just is like a loop and I can't like do anything to scroll through. So I wish on this preview screen, you could like scroll through and look at different parts to check your different clips and things like that. I hate that it loops. And if you're doing like extra long content, like 3 minutes or more, you're gonna be waiting forever to see your clips at the end to make sure they look good. And it just adds so much more time when I'm filming TikToks. I just wanna be able to scroll through, look at my clips versus filming, having to preview it, wait until I get to the new clips that I filmed. It just takes too long. I got things to do, TikTok. Like, make more TikToks. Okay, hey guys, yes, I am wearing my glasses because I hate wearing my glasses normally when I film because of the glare, but I have to legally wear them to drive. So I'm here at Starbucks. I'm gonna go in, get some work done. I'm really excited, but before I go in and pump out that work, I wanted to share with you guys the 5th thing that I would change about TikTok. And I'm now realizing this is kind of a mistake filming in my car because the air conditioning is broken. I'm gonna have to make this quick because I am sweating. Don't know if you needed to know that, but I'm telling you anyways. But anyways, the 5th thing that I would change about TikTok is honestly their support. Now, I know there is a ton of people using TikTok and half of their problems could probably be solved by just going onto Google, doing a quick search, and their issue would be solved. But I really honestly do wish that TikTok supported their creators a little bit more and actually offered a decent support system when problems arise. Like, there's so many people that use the platform, not only for creative purposes, but for business as well. And there really just isn't great support. Like the other day, I had a friend who had his account banned at like 26,000 followers, and he read the terms and conditions. He's like, my content isn't violating this, but I'm still like, my account is still getting banned. And like, once his account is banned, there's really nothing he can do. Emailing TikTok is a waste of time. And I know a lot of people have said that the same thing as well. Like, you're just never gonna get a response back. And I just think TikTok could do better. Again, I know like that is the risk you take, and they have 100% like full right to do that and take that account down. They're letting us post on this platform for free. But overall, I just wish they had better support for their creators. Like, if you do get your account banned, is there an email you can reach out to? Is there some sort of live chat feature that you can reach out to? Explain yourself, get some more information, really understand what went wrong and what was the issue, because I know a lot of things with TikTok are all being filtered through some sort of like automated system, right? It's a robot. It's not a real human going through and just like banning people's accounts. But after you've had that issue, I wish you could be able to go and like talk to a human and actually understand what happened. I know a lot of people in the past have had issues where their videos just absolutely blowing up and then TikTok takes it down. Or one time I was live on TikTok and all of a sudden my live just gets cut off and I'm told that my live is inappropriate, even though I wasn't swearing and I was just playing games with my audience. I had no idea why I was suspended from live, and then I couldn't get on live for like a week. And I just hear all of these things happening, and I wish there was a reliable way to reach out to TikTok, or even just have like different departments that you could reach out to. Like, oh, if your account gets banned, reach out to, this email or this support chat box or whatever. Or if you're having your videos taken down, like reach out to this. Or if you have different questions, I don't know. I I just wish there was a better support system. So yeah, I know this video was a lot more casual, and I just had a fun time filming it and sharing with you guys some things that I would change about TikTok. And I would love to know, what would you guys want to change about TikTok? Let me know down in the comments. I really do look forward to hearing from you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, it would really help me out if you hit that like button and subscribed before I melt completely and won't be able to make any more videos because I will be a puddle in the bottom of this car. I love you guys, and I will catch you on the next video. We're gonna just try and like close it out. There we go. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die.